Good morning, children. Welcome to the EVS class today. My name is Jigna Damani, and our new topic is plants. Now, we have already studied about colors, myself, my family, and we also learned about sense organs and our body parts. So, we will start with the plants topic today. So, this is a normal plant. Now, like we grow from small baby to a big human being, even the plant grows from a small seed to a big tree. Plants are living things. We breathe, same way the plant also breathes. We eat our food, we drink water, same way even the plant needs food and even the plant needs water. So today we are going to learn what are the important things plant needs to grow. The first thing the plant needs to grow is soil. Soil is a main part of the plant. Soil holds the whole plant or the tree together. Roots spread inside the soil wide and holds the plant upright, straight. Soil plant को सीधा खड़ा रखता है. Plants cannot move. Soil उसको पकड़ के रखता है अच्छे से. So the plant cannot fall down. The next is seeds. Soil में हम लोग ये seeds डालते हैं. Then slowly जब हम उसको water करेंगे, उसको sunlight मिलेगा, that time the plant can grow properly. Seeds में से roots आएंगे, रूट से वो बड़ा होके स्टेम बनेगा, उसके ऊपर ब्रांचेस आएंगे, लीव्स आएंगे. सो सीड्स आर वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर सीड डालेंगे ही नहीं तो प्लांट उगेगा ही नहीं. प्लांट कैन नॉट ग्रो विदाउट द सीड. नेक्स्ट इज एयर. ये एक पिक्चर है खाली. एयर, वी कैन नॉट सी एयर. एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एयर इज एवरीवेयर. एयर मतलब हवा. प्लांट्स और हम लोग को भी. वी बोथ नीड एयर. वी ब्रीथ इन एयर. एयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ अवर बॉडी एंड फॉर द प्लांट. नेक्स्ट इज वाटर. When we are thirsty, we drink water. हमें बहुत प्यास लगती है तभी हम पानी पीते हैं. Same way, even the plants need water to grow. If we daily water the plant will remain fresh. अगर पानी नहीं डालेंगे तो वो plant मुरझा जाएगा and slowly the plant might die. So water is very important for the plant to grow. Next is sunlight. Sunlight is also very very important. It plays a very important role in the growth of the plant. मतलब sunlight बहुत ही important है plant के लिए. Plant जो खाना बनाता है, it makes with the help of the sunlight. Plant का खाना मतलब what? It is the fruits and the vegetables. It makes the fruits and vegetables on its own. हम लोग तो नहीं जाके बनाते वहाँ पे, वो plant खुद बनाता है. So plants need sunlight to grow. So these are the main things what plants need to grow. Soil, air, seeds, water and sunlight. So these are the 5 main important things what plants need to grow. Now we will see the activity book and we are going to do the activity today. So this is our page number 12 and we are going to do this. Come, let's read the heading first. Put a tick mark on the things that plants need to grow. Now we have learned plants need these 5 things: soil, air, seeds, water and sunlight. Now coming down to our book. Now see, the first picture is sun. We learned plants need sunlight to grow. Yes, so we are going to tick mark the sun. Now snail. Does plant need a snail to grow? No. Snail is another living thing. Plants does not need a snail to grow, so you are not going to do anything. Then coming down to star. Star is up in the sky. Plants are down. Does the plant need star to grow? No, so we are not going to do anything. Then coming down to soil. Yes, soil is very, very important. So we are going to put a tick mark on this. Soil. Then fire. No, fire is very dangerous. Fire can cause harm to the plant. So fire the plant doesn't need to grow. Then is the seed. Does the plant need seed? Yes, so you are going to put a tick mark on the seed. Then last one is water. Plants need water. The water is very, very important for the plant. So you are going to put a tick mark on that. So do this exercise, and here you are going to write today's date. What is the date today? Today is 6th of August. So here down you are going to write down 6.8.2020. Okay, write the date nicely. Then you are going to do this activity, and you are going to click the photograph and you are going to send it to me. Do the activity nicely. Then teacher misses you a lot. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, my dear children. Bye-bye.